every day's an adventure because it's not the same every day.
That's life for Bart Corcoran, a carpenter with Vancouver Public Schools' maintenance team. He works on long-term jobs with frequent diversions to emergency items that pop up suddenly. Not that Bart minds.
I kind of enjoy it.
It's all about attitude.
And then you're always ready for any adjustment, anything that changes or comes up that's not working right. You're kind of already mentally ready.
These days, Bart and his team are putting together new bleachers at schools across the district. The bleachers are paid for by the bond Vancouver voters passed in February of 2017, and they replace older wooden seating. It's a little like putting together IKEA furniture, a lot of parts and an instruction sheet, but the maintenance crew is making it happen.
Without teamwork, you don't get a lot done. With teamwork, you have a little fun, but you get a lot done.
Bart isn't working with his usual crew today, but like him, the guys are staying flexible and ready to pitch in. They're glad to be on his team.
Well, because he's working alongside you, showing us how and taking suggestions. He leaves everything open for us. If we've got a suggestion, we'll try it. If it doesn't work, we throw it out, try something else.
They're nearing the end of the bleacher installation project, which includes sports fields at the high school and middle school levels. While we were there, the baseball team began practice, a reminder of why these guys do what they do, to help kids. And they're getting thanks from the students.
We work swing most of the time, and so you don't hear the attaboy or anything like that very often. So when the kids are saying it, it makes you feel like, hey, that's cool, because they're actually noticing, and they're the ones you think might not notice as much.
After this, Bart and the guys are on to their next jobs, whatever they might be, and they'll be ready.
Stay flexible, always smile. Everything's good then.